Hello, and thank you for using the APIsec scanner. In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to set up a role-based access control map, or RBAC map, for your application. By doing this, you'll be able to automatically test for a number of business logic flaws each time you run a scan. Let's get started. For this demonstration, I'll be using a preloaded application that's already followed the app model up to this point. Configure. This means we've already run an unauthenticated scan, configured default authentication, run an authenticated scan, and provided default parameters that the app model detected. When a business logic flaw is detected by our map, it'll show up here in your threat detection categories. Let's see what that looks like. From your application's main dashboard, you can access the RBAC settings by either clicking Configure in the app model or by selecting Map from the App Config dropdown at the top of the window. From here, we'll need to set up some roles that the scanner can use while running. We do this by first clicking Add Roles. And as you can see, authenticated users show up here. You'll need to assign a role to each user. This is effectively giving the user a label within the scanner that it can use to easily determine role access discrepancies. I'm going to use common names, role user and role admin. Next, select which of the roles you want included for and click Discover Permissions. I'm going to choose both roles. After analyzing the endpoint results for each of the roles, the scanner will return you a list of results and give you the option to select whether or not the discovered permission is correct. For the sake of testing, we're going to be using a get endpoint that returns a list of community posts. You can see if we analyze the results that both roles currently have access to this endpoint, here under role admin and here under role user. I'm going to indicate that the user should not have access by selecting the No checkbox here under RBAC Permission Accurate. This tells the scanner that the detected permission result was not accurate for this role. There's no need to make adjustments to your OAS. We have you covered. Now that configurations are complete, we can click Start RBAC. This will save our settings and let the scanner know to use them on subsequent scans. So let's go ahead and do that. Click Scan All Endpoints. We're going to run this scan as the user. Now that our scan's done, we can head over to our Threat Detections tab to confirm that our map's working properly. Here we can see that there's now a category that's listed with one potential vulnerability. We'll click on that. If we click on the community's endpoint you see here that we purposefully set up, we can see that the scanner detected the user has role access when it shouldn't. This video should have you on your way to setting up your own map. If you're still having issues, please use the Write to Us feature within the app so that we can help you troubleshoot. Thanks.